Indian human hair exporter, natural black, natural brown, natural grey hair available. Our company since 1919, more than 100 years company. The world first Indian human hair exporter, A.L.KISHORE. Okay, this product name Savaram. This is called Savarimudi, Hidimudi. This is hair volume and length, density and length purpose. This is size available to minimum 8 inch to 50 inches available. This Savaram. This is everything natural human hair. Is short here. This is double round. Double round this one. This is 10 inch here. You see baby curly hair. This is baby curly hair. This is full curly hair. This is 8 inch full curly hair. This 7 to 8 inch baby curly hair. Okay, this one 10 inch baby curly hair double round. Double round. This is single round wefted here. Wefted Remy single round. Remy single round. Top side more here, bottom side less here. This is Remy single round. Double round. Top side more here, bottom side also more here. This is double round. This is double round. This is more density here. More density here. Say double round. This is double round. This is double round. This is Remy single round. This is double round. Top to bottom same length. This is more here top side, bottom side little medium here. This is Remy single round. Bottom side lesser here. Is available size 8 inch to 50 inches available. 50 inches available. Any quantity. This is only sasang gram, 100 gram. Each packet is 100 gram. 10 packet 1 kilo is available. This is clip-on erection, TikTok erection. This is clip. A.L.KISHORE company. Clip-on erection. This is hair closure. This is hair closer. This is blonde hair, dark brown hair, honey blonde hair, silky straight hair, so bone straight hair. Everything available. You want, you contact 94444 75666. Indian human hair exporter, A.L.KISHORE company. By everything double round. Dark brown, double round. Thank you.